Hello students, welcome to Chand Tutorials. Today if anyone new और कोई नहीं है चैनल देखने वाले तो सब्सक्राइब कर लिए और अपने जो है ना रेशियो मैथमेटिक्स के जो है ना रेशियोज एंड एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में आज सीखेंगे। ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो रेशियो, पहले डेफिनेशन पढ़ते हैं रेशियो का। रेशियो क्या है? Ratio is an ordered comparison of quantities of the same units. रेशियो मतलब क्या है? अपने को डिवीजन। कभी भी रेशियो जब भी बताते हैं तो डिवीजन समझना है उसको। मतलब ए बाई बी के फॉर्म में रहेगा, ए बाई बी के फॉर्म में रहेगा। रेशियो इज एन ऑर्डर्ड कंपैरिजन ऑफ क्वांटिटीज। ऑर्डर्ड बोल रहे हैं, इसमें ऑर्डर का मतलब क्या है? करेक्ट क्वांटिटीज से मेजर करने का कंपैरिजन। कंपैरिजन मतलब टू क्वांटिटीज को कंपेयर करने के लिए अपने को रेशियो बताते हैं। ठीक है, टू क्वांटिटीज को कंपेयर करना है अपने को। सपोज कि आपके पास कितने 4 चॉकलेट्स है, आपकी सिस्टर के पास 2 चॉकलेट्स है। समझे? 4 चॉकलेट्स है, 2 चॉकलेट्स है, तो इसको क्या करना है? 2 क्वांटिटीज को कंपेयर करना है ना, 2 क्वांटिटीज को कंपेयर करना है। तो इसमें ए जो है ना 4 हो गया, बी जो है ना 2 हो गया। ए जो है ना 4 हो गया, बी जो है ना 2 हो गया। मतलब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी 4 है, सेकंड क्वांटिटी 2 है। ठीक है, तो इसमें 2 टेबल में कैंसिल होगा। जब भी रेशियो हम बात करेंगे तो इसमें कैंसिलेशन नहीं होना, कोई किसी भी टेबल में कैंसिलेशन नहीं होना। तो मतलब लीस्ट फैक्टर होना चाहिए, लीस्ट मल्टीपल होना चाहिए। ठीक है, यहाँ पे 4 रेशियो तो नहीं सकते। इस टेबल में कैंसिल हो गए 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2। तो आपके पास जो है 4 चॉकलेट्स है, सिस्टर के पास में जो है 2 चॉकलेट्स है। अपन कैसा बोल सकते हैं? आपके पास 2 टाइम्स ज़्यादा है आपकी सिस्टर से कंपेयर करें तो। ठीक है, आपकी सिस्टर के पास एक ही चॉकलेट है, आपके पास 2 चॉकलेट्स है, तो अपन क्या बोलते हैं? ये एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी है, ये नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स नहीं है, ये रेशियो है। रेशियो मतलब कितने टाइम्स कितना ज़्यादा है वो बोल सकते हैं अपन। अभी क्या बोल सकते हैं? अपन स्टेटमेंट क्या लिख सकते हैं? यू हैव डबल द क्वांटिटी देन योर सिस्टर। यू हैव 2 टाइम्स द क्वांटिटी योर सिस्टर हैव। ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारी सिस्टर के पास 1 चॉकलेट है तो आपके पास 2 चॉकलेट है। ठीक है, ऐसा रेशियो इसको बोलते हैं। इसका एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन समझेंगे हम एक बार। रेशियो इज एन ऑर्डर्ड कंपैरिजन ऑफ क्वांटिटीज ऑफ द सेम यूनिट्स। और यहाँ पे गौर करने की क्या चीज़ है बोलते? सेम यूनिट्स। यहाँ पे क्या है? सेम यूनिट्स बोल रहे हैं। यूनिट्स का मतलब क्या है? किसी का जो है ना, जैसा कि अब सब मार्केट में जाके सब्जी ला रहे, टमाटे ला रहे, टमाटो कितना केजीस में मेजर किया जाता है, कितना केजीस में मेजर किया जाता है। अब आप जो है ना आज 5 केजीस टमाटे लाए, कितना लाए? 5 केजीस टमाटे ला लिए, 5 केजीस टमाटर ला लिए। तो नेक्स्ट वीक जो है ना आपके मेहमान आ रहे, नेक्स्ट वीक आपके मेहमान आ रहे, तो ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी चाहिए आपको, तो कितना 10 केजीस ला रहे, 10 केजीस क्वांटिटी ला रहे। तो इसमें क्या हो रहा? 5 केजीस पहले ला लिए, नेक्स्ट 10 केजीस ला लिए। कितना टाइम्स डबल, कितना टाइम्स ला लिए? 2 टाइम्स ज़्यादा ला लिए। समझे? पहले 5 केजीस ला लिए थे, बाद में 10 केजीस ला लिए। तो इसमें रेशियो कभी भी अपन क्या बोलना है? 5 बाई रेशियो कभी भी अपन बात करते हैं उसको डिवाइड करना है। अभी किस टेबल में जाएगा ये? 5 टेबल, 5 1 जा एंड 5 2 टाइम्स जाएगा। तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 1/2 होगा। इसका मतलब क्या है? 2 टाइम्स देन फर्स्ट वीक। फर्स्ट वीक में जो है ना जितना लाए, सेकंड वीक में डबल लाए उससे। समझे? फर्स्ट वीक में कितना जितना लाए, सेकंड वीक में डबल लाए। इसमें रिवर्स भी बोल सकते हैं। जो फर्स्ट वीक में लाए थे वो आधा है, 1/2 रेशियो में है, मतलब हाफ बोले तो 1/2 टाइम्स ऑफ सेकंड वीक कर लाते हैं। ठीक है, अब इसको सेम यूनिट्स होना है। अब समझो कि यहाँ पे 5 केजीस है, यहाँ पे मैं 10 रुपीज़ लिखा है। यहाँ पे क्या लिखा? 10 रुपीज़ लिखा। तो यहाँ यूनिट्स सेम है। ये जो है ना रुपीज़ हो गया, ये रुपीज़ हो गया। तो इसको कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते। यहाँ पे what we understand here is we cannot compare two quantities if they are of different units. Understanding? We cannot compare two quantities if they are different units. Understanding? We cannot say that if two different units are there, we cannot divide those things. Ratio we cannot take it. It will be odd, like, okay. If you're dividing rupees to the kgs, centimeters to the what is it called? Some kgs, okay, liters. So same unit should be there, and then only we can compare easily. Okay. So that's the main point here. Same units should be there. So order comparison of quantities of the same unit. We use the symbol colon. Two dots are there, right? This is called colon to represent a ratio. Now here you see the chocolates are there, right? How many chocolates more you have? Double than your sister. So we can write this ratio as what? 2:1. This is the ratio of the chocolates. This is the ratio of the chocolates you and your sister have. Okay. So does this exactly how many chocolates you have? Is this telling exact chocolates, number of chocolates you have? No. This is telling only the ratio of the chocolates. This is telling only the ratio of the chocolates. That means, oh, whatever your sister have, that means you have double than your sister. Okay. Reversely, if you tell, whatever your sister have, half of this one, half of you have, your sister is having. Like that we can tell. Okay. Now, the ratio of two quantities A and B, and we read as what? A is to B. Whenever you are writing like this, right? 2:1. What is it here? What we will read as 2:1. We are comparing this is A is to B. We will write this one as like this colon. Colon between two quantities. Understand? The two quantities A and B are called terms of the ratio. Two quantities are called terms of the ratio. Now, before going to the actual problems, to understand how the ratio problems comes into your exams, or you need to understand how the ratio concepts is, we'll solve couple of problems. Okay. So to understand ratios clearly, we'll start solving few problems from the simplest to the complicated one. Okay, we'll take the simple question here. What is the ratio of rupees 100 and rupees 10? Express your answer in simplest form. Understanding? Express your answer in simplest form. To find ratio, as we discussed, what is that? Ratio is denoted by A is to B, and the ratio is division between two quantities, right? Here two quantities. Here first quantity is what? A. What is that? A is equal to how much it is? Rupees 100. What is second quantity? B is equal to rupees 10. So what we need to do? These two quantities we need to divide. So ratio means what? Ratio means to find ratio. What we need to do? We need to divide. Okay. What is first quantity? First quantity is rupees 100. What is second quantity? Rupees 10. Understanding? Now, this is the ratio. We can write the ratio as 100:10. What we can write? 100:10. We can write the answer here. Go. So, if we want to find the ratio of 110, this 100/10, 100:10 also we can write it. But the thing is, we need to express answer in the simplest form. To make it in the simplest form, common table we need to cancel here. Which one? Common table we need to cancel. Okay. So which table we can take here? You can take two table also. But if you take 10 table directly, you will get the direct answer. No problem. We'll try for two things. We'll try with two things. Simplest table also we can take. We can take bigger tables also. Understand? So simplest form. Okay, if you are taking with the two table, what happens? If you are taking with the two tables, this two, how many times it will go? 5 times. 2 5 ja. This is 2 50 times it is going. Is this the simplest form? No. Still we can do it. 5 table we can take 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. So what is this the simplest form? Yes, it is a simplest form. Further we cannot divide it. Further we cannot divide it. Any table will divide? No, we cannot divide it. So what is the ratio of the given two quantities? 10:1 we can write. What is that? We can write this one as 10:1. This completes the answer. Okay? Understand? This is a solution of this problem. Now coming to the next question, we'll understand little complexity. We'll understand question first. What I suggest is understand the question first, pause the video and do your answer yourself. If you are not understanding, refer to the solution. Okay? Otherwise, you can check the solution, then you can pause the video and then you can do it, so that you will get it thoroughly. Listening, mathematics is the subject. Listening and doing, only listening will not work out. Okay? You need to practice with your hand on the paper, pen and paper. Then only you will understand what we need to do the next steps. Okay? We'll come into the solution. Let's understand the question first. Here, Sudha has rupees 5. How much Sudha has? Rupees 5. 5 rupees Sudha has. Okay? Money with Radha is another girl, is 3 times. Money with Radha is 3 times the money with Sudha. 3 times money with Sudha. How many times more she has? Radha has 3 times more than Sudha. 3 times more than Sudha. Here, whenever you understand, times will come. Times means that is multiplication. Understand? Multiplication will come. Okay? With Sudha. So Sudha has 5. So 3 times more means 5 multiplied with 3. Okay? We should do. How much money does Radha have? Simple question, right? How much money does Radha have? It is 15 rupees. Let's start the solution. Let's denote Sudha has. Sudha has how much rupees? Sudha has how much rupees? Rupees 5. So what is the question here? Money with Radha is 3 times the money with Sudha. You need to write the statement here. Money with Radha is 3 times with the Sudha. You need to write completely. Okay? From here to here. From here to here, you need to write the statement. After writing the statement, you need to write is Radha. Radha has. When you have the has, right, we are writing as is equal to. We are denoting Radha as R, Sudha as S. Okay? You can write complete word Radha. Radha is equal to how much? 3 times of 3 into Sudha has. 3 into Sudha has. Okay? Radha has. Radha has 3 times of Sudha. How much? This Radha amount given? No. Sudha amount is given as 5. Sudha amount is given as this is Sudha. In the place of Sudha, what we need to write? 5 we need to write. So this is 3 into 5. How much Radha has now? Radha has 3 into 5. 3 5 how much? 3 5 15 rupees. How much rupees? Rupees 15. Rupees 15 is the answer. Okay. Now coming to the first point and second point, we'll understand what he is asking. What is the ratio of Radha's money and Sudha's money? Ratio of Radha's money and Sudha's money. If we want to find the ratio, how many quantities we need to have? 2 quantities we need to have. Do we have the Radha's money? Yes, we have found it. How much? Rupees 15. Then now Sudha's money already given as rupees 5. We have 2 quantities. Both the quantities units are same? Yes, units also same. What are the units here? Rupees. Okay. If units are same only, then only we can compare the ratio. Okay, we will get the ratio. So what is the first one? So first one is, what is the ratio of Radha's money and Sudha's money? How much Radha's money is there? Just now we found out, right? Rupees 15. How much Sudha having? Rupees 5. To find the ratio, what we need to do? What we need to do? We need to divide. We need to divide R by S. Ratio of Radha. Radha is first. Radha's is first. Sudha is second. So numerator we need to write Radha. Denominator we need to write Sudha. One thing I need to tell you here, you will get in the fill in the blanks also, competitive exams also. The numerator is called antecedent. What is this called? Antecedent. What is it called? Antecedent. The second quantity is called consequent. What is it called? Consequent. Should I write here? Spelling? Antecedent. Consequent. Okay? Antecedent and consequent. So numerator is called antecedent, denominator is called consequent. Now we need to, what first one is Radha. Radha divided by Sudha. How much Radha we have? Rupees 15. How much Sudha we have? 5. Any common table it will go? Yes. So you are right. 5 table directly we can cancel it. How many times here? 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. Now we can write the statement as Radha's money, ratio of Radha's money and Sudha's money is R. Radha is to S. What is it called? Is to. What is this colon called? Ratio is denoted by colon. We will call it as is to. Radha is to Sudha is how much here? 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. This is the answer of first one. Okay? This first point.
Go.
Now coming to the second question. What is the ratio of Sudha's money and Radha's money? What is the first question? First one is Radha's money and then second is Sudha's money. Right? Now here the question is first Sudha's money in there. Tell me your answer what we got first one here. This one 3 is to 1 we got. Okay? Now we will find the ratio of Sudha's money and the Radha's money. So when first one Sudha's money is here means we need to write the Sudha's money first. Okay? Sudha's money divided by how much? Radha's money. Sudha's money divided by Radha's money is equal to what is Sudha's money? Sudha's money how much? 5. How much rupees? 5. Radha's money is 15. So which table we can cancel here? 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. So answer is 1 by 3. What is the ratio of Sudha's money to the 1 is to 3? 1 is to 3. Just this is reverse of this answer. 3 is to 1 or 1 is to 3. In the competitive exams, if this question is asked, Radha's money and Sudha's money and the Radha's money, most of the people will write 1 is to 3 maybe, because they will understand this is 1, this is 3 times, means 1 is to 3 they will write, but we need to consider Sudha's money first. Okay, here we need to write Radha's money first. Understanding? Which one first is there, that one we need to write, otherwise the answer will go wrong. Okay, this completes the answer. Thank you. Now the next question. Next question, let's understand the question first. The rectangle measure 40 centimeters. You know the rectangle shape, right? So write that rectangle shape. Draw it. This is length. So this is rectangle. This length is called, this is called length. This is breadth. Let's denote length by L and the breadth by B. Okay? So this is a rectangle. Rectangle measures 40 centimeters at its length and 20 centimeters at its width. Length how much given? 40 centimeters. Width how much given? This 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters, right? Find the ratio of length to the width. Length to the width. So what is first one? Length. Second is width, right? So let see here the width is there, right? Width is nothing but the breadth. Width is also called as breadth. Okay. We usually represent rectangle as length into area of rectangle as length into breadth. So we denote length as L, width as B. Okay. Your wish. You can denote it by W also. No problem. Length of rectangle. How much it is? Length of rectangle given is 40 centimeters. Width of rectangle given is how much? 20 centimeters. Now, what we need to do? Find the ratio of length first. How much length? Ratio of length to the width. Okay. What is length given? 40. What is width given? 20. Which table will you take it? 2 times the 2, 20. 22. What is the answer? 20 by 10. Still we can reduce to the simplest form? Yes, we can reduce. How much? 10 table you know? 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja. What is the answer? 2 by 1. How do we write the ratio? L is to B as L is to B is equal to 2 is to 1 is the answer. Okay? This one. Let's start next question here. Let's understand the question first. The speed of a garden snail runs fast or slow? It's very walk slowly. Snail race. What is it called? Snail race? Slowly it walks. How much speed it is? 50 meter per hour. Speed is measured in the form of meter per hour, or actually when we drive to the village, right? When we drive the car or bike, how the speed is measured? Kilometers per hour. How much? Kilometers per hour. Okay. And that of cheetah is 120 kilometers per hour. You see here, meters per hour and kilometers per hour. Are the units same here? Units are same, but different conversions is there. Here meter is there, here is kilometers is there. How much? Kilometers is there. What is the standard form of this thing? Form. So, as I said before, ratio means simple. A is to B. A divided by B. But I did said also one important thing. We need to divide and find the ratio only if the units are same. Okay. We need to first make the units same here. What we need to do? We need to make the units same here. What we know between meters and kilometers? How many meters is equal to 1 kilometer? It is 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. How much it is? We know that 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. How many meters? 1000 meters. Now coming to the question again, that snail is there. How much? It is snail. How much speed the snail is? Speed of snail is how much? 50 meters per hour. 50 meters per hour. This is denoted like this. This is denoted by meters per hour. Meters per hour. What is another one? Cheetah. What is cheetah? How much speed the cheetah is going? 120 kilometers per hour. 120 kilometers per hour. Here, what we need to do? Either we need to make this one as kilometer, or we need to convert this kilometer into meters. We need to convert kilometers into meters. How do we convert kilometers into meters? If we want to convert kilometers into meters, how much? 120 kilometers per hour. Here it is 50 meters per hour. Which one we need to multiply to make same unit? We'll multiply this 50 by 1000 or 120 by 1000. Understand? How do we do it? Now 50 meters per hour is there. Same thing, 120 kilometers per hour. Now we'll convert this one kilometers into meters. This km is what? 1000. So what we'll do is we'll convert this cheetah into meters first. We'll convert this cheetah into meters. Let's see here. 120 into how much? 1000. How much? 1000. What we can write here? Meters per hour. Meters per hour. This cheetah is converted into meters per hour. 120 into 1000 means how many zeros will land? 120. 1000 is there means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros, meters per hour. Meters per hour. Now, snail is there and cheetah is there. Now, units are same. Now, we can find the ratio. Now, we can find the ratio. So, snail divided by cheetah. What is snail? It is 50. What is cheetah's ratio? It is 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 120, 3 zeros. 120, 3 zeros. So, 1 0 not there. So, now we need to divide this. 1 0, 1 0 we can cancel it here. 5 table we can try cancel. 5 1 ja. 5 how many times it will go? 5 2 ja 10. 2 is there 20. 5 4 ja 20. 2 zeros are there. 0 0. So, what is the answer? 1 is to 2400. 1 is to 2400. This is the ratio. Understand? 1 is to 2400. Snail to the cheetah is 1 is to 2400 is the answer. Here the main important thing is you need to convert the units. Understand? You need to convert the units. Then after that only you need to divide. If you are dividing directly 50 by 120, the answer will go wrong. Answer will go wrong. Okay? This is the only important thing is we need to convert the units. Understand? This completes the answer. Now coming to the next question. The question is, divide 96 chocolates. I have given you 96 chocolates. Okay? You need to divide into two persons. 96 chocolates given. You need to divide to the two persons. How do you share it? The thing is, you need to share between Raju and Ravi in the ratio 5:7. The ratio 5:7. Here the ratio is given. Does it mean that Raju has 5 chocolates and Ravi has 7 chocolates? No. It's not the quantity of the ratio is there. Okay. Now first thing is, whenever like these problems comes, first what you need to do is, we need to take this ratio is there, right? 5 and 7. We need to add these quantities. Okay. We need to add these ratios. So 5 plus 7 is 12 is there, right? 12 ratios, right? 12 parts. That ratio is nothing but completely 12 parts. One part is, we'll get the answer as one part. When you divide the total parts, then we'll get one part. Okay. What is the first thing we need to do? Ratio given as what? Ratio between Raju and Ravi. How much is given? 5:7. 5:7. So total parts. How much parts will get? Total parts is equal to is equal to 5 plus 7. How much it is? This is 12. How much it is? 12 parts. Okay. Now the total parts is 12. Now we will come as Raju. How much Raju quantity? How much Raju will get? How many chocolates does Raju will get? Raju part. Raju will get. What is the first one? How much is that? 5. 5 divided by total parts. How much it is total? 12. 5 divided by 12 into number of chocolates. Into number of chocolates. Okay. How much is the number of chocolates given? 5 by 12 into, how much is the number of chocolates? 96. How much? 96. Okay. Any common table it will go. Here we cannot divide. These two we can divide, right? How much it will be? 12 1 ja, 12 9 ja. 12 9 ja? No, 12 8 ja it is. How much? How many times? 12 8 times. 12 8 ja 96, right? 12 8 ja 96. 12 1 ja 12 8 times. So what is the answer here? 5 into 8 how much? 40. 40 by 1. Denominator 1 we need not write it. Okay. 40 chocolates. chocolates. How much Raju will get? 40 chocolates. Now tell me how much Ravi will get. If Raju gets 40 chocolates, then how much Ravi will get? Total is 96. 96 minus 40, how much will get? 56. We can write that one directly, right? Ravi will get, therefore Ravi will get 96 minus 40 is equal to 56 chocolates. Like that we can write it. Otherwise, we can do with the same method, right? Raju, how do we do Raju method? Raju ratio is, first is, Raju is there, 5. 5 divided by 12. Now, if we want to find out how much Ravi will get, Ravi, the second part is 7. So, 7 by total parts is 12. 7 by 12 into total chocolates, 96. That we can do it. We'll do with that method. Ravi. How much? So, Ravi, second part is 7. The total 12 into number of chocolates. So, here, how much it is? 7. 7 by 12 into 96, same thing. 12 1 ja, 12 8 ja. 7 into 8, how much? 7 8 ja, 56 chocolates. How much? 56 chocolates. Over. So, Raju will get 40 chocolates, Ravi will get 56 chocolates. This completes the answer. Now coming to the next question. It's similar to the previous question, question number 5. So, let's read the question first. Understand the question first. The length of a line segment. What is line segment? Line segment is nothing but the distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. What is line? Line is never ending. Line is never ending. So, distance between 2 points is called line segment. That is called line segment. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Whether line has no endpoints. Line has no endpoints. So, line segment AB. See, from A to B. From A to B, how much is there? 38 centimeters given. How much? This total line is, total length is how much? Total length is 38 centimeters. So, AB length is how much given? AB length is 38 centimeters given. How much given? 38 centimeters given. A point X on it. A point X on it. How much? Which point? X on it. Divides it in the ratio 9:10. Divides in the ratio 9:10. Divides the ratio in the 9:10. Find the length of the line segment AX and XB. That means how much this length is there, how much this length is there. Understand? If it is half means 38 by 2, how much it will be? 15 plus 4, 19. 19 centimeters. Exactly half means 19 centimeters. But it is not exactly half. It is given specifically. How much? Suppose X divides 9:10 means 9:10. This 9 part is there. This is 10 part is there. How much? From A it is 9 parts. From X to B it is 10 parts. Which will be greater? From X to B will be the greater. But we cannot tell how much it is. Okay? How do we tell? We need to find the ratio. Like to the similar problem. Now, if we want, what is the ratio has given? Ratio, how much? X point X. X points divides line segment AB in the ratio how much? 9:10. Now, X points divides the ratio, divides the line segment AB into 9:10 means first AX divide how many parts? AX share will be 9. BX will be 10. Like these problems, if you want to find this part and this point, first point what we need to do is, we need to add these total parts. What we need to do? We need to add these total parts. What is total parts here? Total parts will be 9 plus 10. How much it is? 19. How many parts we need to divide? This total line, total AB we need to divide into 19 parts. This is 19 parts. Now, to find AX, what is the first part? Here it is 9. AX will be 9 divided by total parts is 19. Total parts is 19 into What is the total length? 38. Total length is 38. This is the answer. Now we need to cancel it. Which table we can cancel? 19 1 ja 19, 19 2 ja 38. Okay? 19 1 ja 19, 19 2 ja 38. 9 2 ja how much? 18. 9 2 ja 18. What is the unit here? Centimeters. 18 centimeters. Ax is equal to how much? 18 centimeters. Okay? Similarly, if you want bx, bx part is second part, right? This is second part. 9:10 given, right? 10 is the bx part. 10 divided by total parts is 19 into what is the total length? 38. What is the total length? 38. Same thing, 19 1 ja 19 2 ja. 19 1 ja 19 2 ja. 10 2 ja how much? 20 centimeters. How much? 20 centimeters. Ax is how much? 18 centimeters. Bx is how much? 20 centimeters. So what we are doing here? Whichever point is there, first we need to find total parts ratio. 9:10 given. 9 plus 10 we need to do. Okay? Whichever part you want, you need to write the numerator divided by total parts into what is the total quantity. Okay? You need to take the common multiple, cancel it, and you get the answer. See, Ax is equal to 18 centimeters you got. What is the total length? 38 centimeters. If Ax is 18 centimeters, total is 38, remaining will be 38 minus 18. This will be 20. Like that also you can do. After getting Ax 18 centimeters, we can directly write Bx as is equal to 38 minus 18 is equal to 20 centimeters you can get. You can do like this also, or you can separate from the total also. Okay, this completes the answer. In a similar question like we did question number 6, this is also similar thing. The sum of rupees how much? 1,60,000 rupees is divided in the ratio of 3:5. 3:5. So whenever like the sums are there, what we told? We will take the total parts here. Okay. Now, what is the smaller share? What will be the smaller share? Will be the 3 parts or 5 parts? It's a 3 parts. If you find only the 3 part one, this completes the solution. Okay? We'll take this 3 parts only. How much ratio is given? Total sum how much? Sum of rupees how much here? 1,60,000. 1,60,000. What is the ratio given? Ratio given will be, ratio is what? 3:5. Total parts will be how much? Total parts will be 3 plus 5. How much it is? It is 8 parts. Now, which will be what is the smaller share? Smaller share will be 3 parts or 5 parts? It's a 3 parts. So 3 parts means smaller share will be 3 parts. Smaller share is equal to how much? 3 by, what is total here? 8 into, what is the amount total? 1,60,000. If you simplify this one, this completes the answer. How much you will get? 18, 1 ja 18, 18, 2 ja 16. How many zeros are? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 3 2 ja how much? 6. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the amount. Smaller part will be 60,000. Smaller part will be 60,000. This completes the answer. Now coming to the next question is very important question, and this method is also different than we have discussed earlier questions. Okay, try to understand the question clearly. To make green paint, a painter mixes yellow paint and blue paint. Which paint he is mixing? Yellow paint and blue paint in the ratio 3:2. This 3:2 he has given for yellow paint 3 parts and blue paint 2 parts. That is 3:2. If he used 12 liters, how much liter? 12 liters of yellow part. Yellow part is 12 liters. If he used 12 liters of yellow paint, how much blue paint did he use? Which one he has mixed? Yellow is to blue. How much ratio? How much ratio he has mentioned? It is 3:2 ratio he has missed. 3:2 ratio he has missed. Now he has given that 12 liters. Yellow paint, how many liters? Yellow paint, how many liters he has used? 12 liters. See here, yellow paint, how many parts, how many liters he has used? 12 liters he has used. Then what is the question is, blue paint how many liters? Blue paint how many liters? Okay. Now to find this blue paint how many liters, what we need to do is, first this 12 liters is 3 parts. How much parts? 3 parts. 12 liters is 3 parts. If you want to find one part, what we need to do? This 12 divided by 3. To get one part, how much we will do? We will divide this 12 liters. This 12 liters, how many parts it is? 3 parts is there. How many parts? 3 parts. If you want to get one part, what we will do? 12 divided by 3 we will do. 12 divided by 3. So what we will get? One part we will get. Okay? Let's see. One part will be how much? 12 by 3. 3 parts is equal to 12 means one part will be equal to 12 by 3. How much it is? 4 liters. How much it is? 4 liters. Now you got one part. 3 parts 12 means one part is 4 liters. Now blue paint how much he need to use? How much quantity? One part is 4 liters means 2 parts will be 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8 liters. Over. Okay. Therefore, blue part how many parts? Blue paint how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts into one part is how much? 4 liters. 2 into 4 liters. That is 8 liters of blue paints painter is using. 8 liters of blue paint painter is using. This completes the answer. That's it, students, for this today. If you want to watch more videos, you can like this channel and subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Okay, and if you want one-to-one tuitions, you can call to this number. Okay, thank you.